Let's go to gates controls. Are here pretty much what you see on any analog gear. Any gate can be selected: attack, hold time, and release time. We have two sub-menus over here, which we have threshold. We can work as a gate, but we can switch it as a ducker as well. Then from here we can select attack, hold, and release. And we can go down on one step, and what we're going to have in here, it's a keying, it's for the key frequency for side chaining. So we can select the frequencies which we want to use. We can select the slope and change it. We can see the changed application over here. And as well, we can select the source for side chaining. So basically it would be any of the analog channels, again, auxiliary, sends, effects, and buses. We go to dynamics. Dynamics allows us the same control plus all the indication, for example, the threshold. We can have a graphical representation of the whole thing. Ratio, attack, hold, release, gain. The second part of the page allows us to change, again, the key filter, and as well as assign a channel for controls of side chaining. Go to EQ. EQ, I like this EQ. The graphic representation of this EQ, pretty much what we have 4 bands of fully parametric EQ, then as well the low cut filter or high pass, whatever you prefer in this case. All of the stuff designated could be controlled either from this part of the board, which is changes. For example, we can change high frequencies. For example, we can change high frequencies, which have to activate the EQ first. Change the high frequencies. We can adjust the gain. We can change. In this case, it's high shelf, so the Q is not applicable, but we can do high cut, which is not applicable as well. But we can do the different mode of notching. So we can change and adjust the Q. We can change the frequency of it. We can change gain. Same thing could be done with other frequencies. Let me drop that back so we wouldn't change that too much. So high mid range, which basically changes, if we can see this frequency, number 3, change it back. We can go low middle, which changes frequency number 2. And we can go to lows, which change frequency number 1. I don't know why they're doing 1, 2, 3 in this fashion, but it's really good. The notching can go really steep, so which I really like, and really good controls. Besides the control from this area of the soundboard, we can control via these knobs and the menus, which basically adjust each band. Each band assigned to each one knob, and each parameter goes to different page. Like for example, we change frequencies of each channel, we can change cues of each channel, or we can change mode of EQ in each channel as well.